What is up everyone? I hope you're doing great and you are all safe. For this video, magbibuild tayo ng PC, and this PC is worth only 12,000 pesos. So this PC is focused for those who are working from home and also for those who will be schooling from home. But before we dive into the video, if hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, just subscribe to my channel, click the button down below so you can get notified when I post tech stuff. And also, I would just like to give a shout out to Prince Parco. If you are looking for quality printed materials, you can check them out here. And also, I will be posting their link down below on the description. And also, you can check Caleb here for his vlog contents. So, let's get into the video. So for the components na gagamitin natin for this build, we have our motherboard, A320M S2H from Gigabyte. Unfortunately, hindi siya V2 kasi hindi V2 yung napadala sa akin ng Shopee, but it's okay. So for the processor, we have the Athlon 3000G. It has 2 cores and 4 threads, so enough na siya for schoolworks and work from home. So for our RAM, we will be using the Kingston HyperX 2400 MHz 8GB. For our storage, specifically for our SSD, we will be using this M.2 SSD from Goldenfir. This has 60GB. So meron naman tong M.2 slot, so we will be utilizing that. For our hard drive, we will be using the Seagate Barracuda 7200 RPM 500GB. For our power supply, we will be using this Deepcool DE500 V2 500 watts power supply. So enough na siya to power all of these components. And for our case, we will be using this Rakk Siri na in-unbox natin last time. You can check that here. So let's get building. Alright, so guys, here is our build with the Rakk Siri chassis. So aaminin ko, medyo mahirap mag-cable manage with this case kasi unang-una yung power supply niya is nasa taas, and then routing the cables at the back medyo masikip. So you'll just have to get creative with zip ties and velcro straps. So here is it. Another complaint with this case or this chassis, yung ating Rakk Siri, pansin nyo yung fan natin supposed to be dapat 3. Kaso the problem with it, yung pinaka top fan niya, tumatama yung cables ng front panel. So medyo weird lang kasi in-advertise na kaya yung 3 fan sa harap, 3 120mm. Pero at the same time, kahit anong route mo ng cables, tumatama siya dun sa fan. So talagang hindi gagana yung fan with it. So nauwi ako sa 2 fan sa baba, sa middle at saka sa baba. So yun lang, one thing to remember with this case. Pero it turned out great. Again, this is a budget build. So as you can see, yung ating M.2 SSD fits right there. Good thing naman sa likod ng case, mayroong mga points na pwede mong i-route yung cables mo. Meron kang pwedeng pagdikitan ng mga velcro and mga zip ties mo. So this is our build with the Rakk Siri. As you can see, ikot-ikot natin siya. Yan. I had fun with doing this build. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, just click on that like button. Subscribe to my channel, and if you have some thoughts, you can comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.
Why do you wanna end? Was it real or just pretend? Tell me, why do you wanna end? Was he really just a friend?